now it's time to start organizing for a move. So, from the standpoint of, now we've figured out things that we're going to get rid of, but now we got to organize for a move.
Yes.
What's kind of the steps or the process
that you want to do?
Yeah.
What you'll want to do is make sure you've got a list of everything that kind of needs to be done. And when you're looking at lists, when you're creating that list, don't think about priority and timing. Just dump it all in somewhere, because then this is when you organize for the move. Now that we've got everything written down, now we can kind of go back, and we kind of firm up some variables and things that are happening. Now you can create your timeline to get organized for the move and figure out what needs to be done and in what order. And the other things, really start giving thought to getting rid of things. And as you're, have a box, what I call a go away box. And everyone should have this, whether you're moving or not, because we all have things that need to get out of our lives, because we bring things in, so things need to go away. So always have that go away box, or donate box, or consignment box, or Goodwill box, whatever you want to call it. And make sure everyone in the family knows where it is. So anytime you come across something and you don't want it, move it over, shift it over to that area or to that box. And so you can plan for that. Other things when you're talking about organizing for the move is thinking about your new home and how are things going to be laid out in the new home? Are all my furniture pieces going to fit? Do I want to get new furniture pieces? Do I need to be selecting new paint colors? Am I going to paint my new home before I move in? Do I like the paint colors? So there's all of those pieces that kind of need to come together and figure out then where you drop them into the timeline and how they all come together. But space planning is really important, because whether you're hiring someone, a professional, move you, or you're having your friends, no one wants to move your furniture 6 times in the same room because you're not quite sure where it fits or it doesn't fit right. So that's just a savings for you. Plus, if you do a space plan and you get it written out and on basically to scale on a floor plan, you will sleep better at night, because that is the thing. My experience is from clients that they do a lot of rolling over at 3 a.m. and going, oh my gosh, where am I going to put that piece of furniture? Or I forgot about that. If you can get it concrete, written out and drafted, and it's per scale, and you can see how that room is going to be laid out, you will feel much better about that. And you can check that off and then move on to the next thing you need to do.